middle right, signalling right. Just watch out for the right turn just before you there. And this is a one-way street, so look out for traffic on the left, but be careful of pedestrians crossing on your right hand side. Yeah, if you look, there's pedestrians crossing there. Be extra careful up this road. People will walk onto the road, cars will pull out, left, right and centre, so be extra careful. And look at my speed, it's only 11 miles an hour. The TomTom, if we are going straight ahead, it will not tell you you are going straight ahead. So once we go past this car, look at the white line on my right. I want to be next to this white line on my right, because this lane, there will be 3 lanes here. This lane will be taking me straight ahead.
Yards, turn left, Mavis Bank.
And if you can see, there's a lane on my left, a lane in the middle, lane on my right. I'm going straight ahead. So I'm staying on next to the white line, which was on my right hand side there.